You know, where I live in the northern hemisphere, winter is slowly setting in. I mean, those nights are cold out there. So I've got a wonderful Boozy Chai Latte that I'm going to make for you. And it is absolutely delicious. A little bit of work, but well worth it, and it's going to warm you up. So I saw this online and I thought to myself, this sounds really, really good. So I tweaked it to my liking and basically Brucified it. And this is what I came up with. We've got a cup of milk. Okay, in the pot it goes. And I guess we need some fire, don't we? Ha! Fire! Come on, baby. Fire! Yeah, come on, baby, light my fire. So what we want to do here is we want to just kind of stir this up, medium heat. We don't want to bring it to a boil, okay? You want to get it to that point where it's almost a boil. It's going to take a few seconds here. Okay, while this is heating up, what we want to do is add some date sugar. Now, you could use regular sugar, but I thought I'd try this, and it is absolutely marvelous. What it is all it is dates that I've chopped up into a powder. That's it. That's the only ingredient. And I've got a good tablespoon here. You know the nice thing about it too? It's not that sweet, this date sugar. So if you are going to use like a brown sugar or something, you might want to cut back a bit. It's coming. And you just keep stirring until all that sugar is dissolved. Here it comes. I think we're in. It's nice and hot. I've got a chai tea bag. And we're just going to drop that in, turn our stove off, pop a lid on, and steep this for about 7 minutes, okay? I'll see you in 7 minutes. Well, it's been 7 minutes now. So let's see what we got going on here. Whoa, nice and hot. We want to get rid of our tea bag here. And pour this hot mix into our blender. Neat. Ooh-wee, she's hot. Now our next ingredient is sunflower butter. If you don't have sunflower butter, or you can't get sunflower butter, you could use almond butter or cashew butter. But this is going to make this wonderful Boozy Chai Latte give it a creamy, creamy texture. Okay, so I've got a good teaspoon of sunflower butter. I like this sunflower butter because the only ingredient in it is sunflowers, roasted sunflowers. And I think they have a little salt in there too. We're also going to add some vanilla extract. And this is organic vanilla extract, and about a 1/4 ounce. Beauty. And to that, we're just going to blend it so it's all mixed up, okay? Here we go. Blend it on high. I'm thinking that's done. Ooh, she's still steaming. That smells all good. All right, let's add our booze. I've got 40 Creek Barrel Select Canadian whiskey. I love this stuff. I drink it all the time. You could use rum. That makes sense. You could use brandy. That makes sense too. I'm going for 1 ounce. To that, 1/2 ounce of Grand Marnier. Followed by coconut rum, 1/2 ounce. Now mine is still piping hot. And if you find it cools down a bit, just pop her back on the stove, okay? But you want it nice and hot, okay? And just pour it into your glass. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, look at that. And to this, we're just gonna pop in a little bit of cinnamon. Some ground cinnamon over top. Oh yeah. Let's give it a go. Wow. I don't know what I can say other than wow. This is amazing. It really, really is. It's rich. It's creamy. Very, very warming. Probably an awesome sedative before you go to bed. It's a little bit of work making it, but it's well worth it. Really, give it a go. You won't be sorry. This is delightful. Yeah, Neo Citron ain't got nothing on me. Ha! It's great. Get one, make one, do something. Yeah. It kind of f***ed up. You want me to turn you?
Turn me, yeah.
Partial funding for BarTalk&Cocktails is provided by Patreon. For just a few dollars a month, you get access to lots of extra stuff. Behind the scenes videos, podcasts, newsletters, some of my own personally created cocktails, and much, much more. Become one of my patrons today and help keep us going. Thanks in advance. Cheers. This is absolutely wonderful for a cold, cold night. It'll warm you right up. Hit the subscribe button, check the other videos out, and make a Boozy Chai Latte. You know, curl up with your sweetie and watch some Netflix. Yeah. Oh, make it!